In this video, I will show you how to curve text in Microsoft Word or how to bend text in MS Word. Let's get started. Open Microsoft Word. Open the document where you want to add curved text. Go to the Insert tab in the ribbon. Click on Word Art in the text group and select a style that suits your design. Replace the placeholder text with your desired text. With the Word Art selected, navigate to the Shape Format tab. Click on Text Effects, then hover over Transform. Choose a curved option such as Arch Up, Arch Down, or other styles available. You can adjust the curve by dragging the yellow handle that appears on the Word Art text box. This allows you to increase or decrease the curve as needed. By following these steps, you can effectively create and customize curved text in Microsoft Word.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.